Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the No7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. I have a really kind of mixed review on this, but I did end up giving it a 4 out of 5 stars, so you'll definitely want to stay tuned until the end to see why I rated it that. So for 1 ounce of this serum, it's $33.99. So it's not like super cheap, but it's not uber expensive either. I think it's kind of right in the middle of the price range. This looks identical to Vaseline. It doesn't have a feeling like Vaseline, but it is definitely a thicker face serum, and it's actually even thicker than most face moisturizers I've used. So super thick. It also has that silicone feeling to it, which if you've watched any of my other reviews, you know I hate silicone feeling face serums. So that's the texture that it has when you apply it on your face. And then once it dried down, it actually was pretty comfortable to wear. It just kind of leaves behind that slick feeling that you get with most other silicone face serums. The application of it is easy in some ways, hard in other ways. Use it both morning and night. I just used about a pea-size amount on the tips of my fingertips and then rubbed it all over my face. So you're obviously gonna wanna cleanse and tone your face first and then apply it. So that part is all super easy. I also found that it was easy to layer my other products on top of. Even though it did make the other products feel really slick going on, it still was easy for them to be applied and soak in. The part that was hard, and I experienced this with every silicone feeling face serum, is it makes my makeup look terrible. I look so greasy in my T-zone and my makeup looks really cakey. So it just doesn't work well for me. So it was harder for me to use this in the morning just because I am someone who normally wears makeup every day, so that makes it a little tricky. With those silicone feeling face serums, I don't ever feel like they really have a dry time per se. They sort of feel like dry as you're applying them. But I did feel like after about 15 to 20 seconds, it had sunk into my skin a little bit more. So that's what I would consider the dry time, is about 15 to 20 seconds. I hated the smell of this face serum. It is the strongest, like cheap smelling floral perfume, and it's very overpowering. I didn't even think that the smell went away after I applied some of my other products on top. It took a while. So if you are sensitive to smells, and even if you're not, you may really struggle with the smell of this because I really didn't like it. I looked at the ingredients too, and the fragrance ingredient is way higher up on the ingredient list than most other products in general, not just face serums. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So I applied this at night first. Right off the bat, I was really worried if I was gonna hate it. I had some dry patches around my mouth and nose, and it stung so bad when I applied it. So that might have been from the fragrance in it. And then I just in general have not loved silicone feeling face serum. So I kind of went in with a weird feeling about it. When I woke up the next morning, my skin didn't look any different. It kind of had that dirty feeling that I've had with other silicone-based face serums, but my skin didn't look, good or bad. So after all that, you're probably wondering why I gave it a 4 out of 5 stars. This gave me some of the best results I've ever gotten from a face serum. I had an amazing, beautiful glow on my face. My face looked so hydrated and plump. It completely kept any acne and skin congestion away. I'm someone who has blackheads kind of around my mouth and nose, and I have never seen them so clear as I have with using this. It took away my dry skin. Those dry patches that stung when I applied this were actually gone in less than a week of using this. But the biggest difference I saw was in skin discoloration. Some of my sunspots that I thought I was gonna have forever almost are completely gone, if not completely gone from using this. Like I said, wear makeup every day. I found myself not even wanting to put foundation on because my skin looked that beautiful. So despite the fact that I really hated the entire experience of using this, I can't deny that these are some incredible results that you get from using this face serum. So that's again why I ended up giving it a 4 out of 5 stars. This is obviously a really popular brand, so I want to hear from you. If you've used it, let me know below if you loved it or hated it. And then of course, if there's ever any other face serums you guys want me to try, make sure you leave that below as well. If you want to see my full review on this, visit us at FaceSerum.com.